Okay na ha? Kilala na yung magkakampi sa kabila. Okay, Sardenya, 2 points. Okay, to John, to Martin. Martin, no good. Rebound by Alejos. Okay ha, bola ng Solo Joiners. John, to Martin, to John again. Nice pass. Abise, 2 points. Oy, pinaka. Good, hindi tumawag ha. Bad pass, rebound by Miguel, ay steal by Miguel. Hindi pwede. Number 28. Oy, malakas. Okay lang, bawi na lang. Nice pass. Yung tumira ni Alejos. To number 28, Nelson. Nelson, 2 points. Score 4-2. Miguel. Okay, foul daw, foul. Foul ba? Palakas po ng tawa kapag hindi narinig. Good. Miguel. To Alejo. Bumomba Alejo. Sardenya, 2 points. Ano kaya nangyari dito? Martin. Okay, same ball. 18 to shoot. Nice pass. No good. Two points, Sardenya. Grabe, siya palang ang umiscore dun sa regular. To Nelson, to Martin. Martin, no good. Rebound by Justine. Pinasa kay Miguel. Pansakto, 2 points. 4-8. Pati pa magsisasagay sa trabaho. 3 minutes 38 seconds. To Alejo. 4 lang hinahabol. Ang ganda ng pasa. Si Priano Nobud. Bola ng Solo Joiners. 3 minutes 40 seconds. Both teams may 2 pang timeout. John. Nice pass. 2 points Abise. Pag kailangan nyo ng scoring, nandiyan lang yung si John. Okay, bad pass. Bola ng Solo Joiners. Nasa na kaya yung iba? Abise, wala. Rebound by Sardenya. Sardenya to Alejos. Time remaining 2 minutes 48 seconds. Nawala ang bola. Cipriano no good. Sardenya, 2 points. Number 7, John. Sakto. Ititira mo na lang, Martin. No good. Nakuha. To John. John, 3 points. 9-10. Okay, bola ng solo joiners, ha? Time remaining 2 minutes, 3 seconds. No good. Nakuha ni Justin. To Miguel, ibabalik ka ba? Miguel, 2 points. 9-12. Martin, pinasa kay John. John, no good. Nakuha ni Alejos. Mukhang idediretso. Pero mukhang diniretso ba? No good, pero kanya pa rin. Serdeña, wala. 1 minute, 22 seconds. John, no good. Wow! Road to shot. 1 minute, 5 seconds. Abise, 2 points. 11-14. Nice pass. Ang ganda. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Justine, 3 points. Last 24 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 12 seconds. Nice pass. Okay, foul na. 9.3 seconds. 9.3. Ang ganda na sana ng speed. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Nelson, 2 points. Okay na, tapos na po. Sino una nakakuha kanina? Bola na solo joiners, okay. Score 13-17, apat ang kinahabol ng Team Solo Joiners. Both teams may dalawa pang time out. Lamang kayong apat. Lamang sila, men ng apat, ha. 17-13. In favor of Team Regular. Pangalan dyan? Jan Almar. Okay, game. Wow! Ang ganda ng pasa na yun. 13-15. Wow! Naipit. Ang ganda ng depensa sa ilalim. Pero, oy! Dito bola. Save ball. Save ball. No good by Justine. John. Sila party, mamaya. Tapos? Mamaya. Yung isa nyo kakampi, marunong na yan. Si JM sa inyo. Naglalakad si JM. 6 minutes, 39 seconds. Nasa na kaya si George? $18 seconds. 14 seconds. No good. Nakakuha ni... Okay, Martin. Ang ganda ng pasa. Ang ganda. Wow! All 17. Parang solo joiners all-star. Justin, 2 points. To Nelson, 14 seconds to shoot. Abise, 10 seconds. Oy, ang ganda ng pasa mo. Alejos, 2 points, Miguel. 21-17. No good by John. Rebound by Cipriano. Eight seconds. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay, counted. 23-17. No good. Four minutes, 35 seconds. Hoy, dito bola, tumama sa paa ni Mel. Nice pass. Ang lalim ng pasa. John, no good. Nakuha ni Sardegna. Hoy, Blanca. Same ball. 18 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Miguel, wala. Rebound by Martin. Two points. Nelson. 23-19. Nice rebound by Nelson. Nelson, ipapasa ba? Hindi, ang ganda, Nelson! 2 points. 23-21. 3 minutes, 15 seconds. Sardegna. To Miguel. 10 seconds. Nakakuha ni Cipriano, pero may, oh, good. Hindi man siya dumiretso eh. Hindi pwedeng ang tatawag yung kakampi, ha, dapat yung mismong player. Palabas. 2 minutes, 53 seconds, 14 to shoot. No good. Grabe. Wala, nakuha ni Nelson, libre Abise, 2 points, all 23. Wala pa. Ano pa lang naman. Okay, labas mo na. Good na yun, nilabas mo na eh. Wala tayong first ball, pre. Wala tayong first ball. 25-23. Paalala ko, wala po tayong first ball. 27-23, 1 minute 50 seconds. Ano yun? 3-2. Okay, 29-23. 26, okay, sorry naman. 29-26. $52 seconds. 48 seconds. 14 to shoot. Tatlo lang yan, ha. 8 seconds. Fresh 40. Last 33 seconds. Tatlo hinahabol, ha. Okay. 24 seconds, 14 to shoot. Three. All 29, 19 seconds. All 29. Paalala ko lang, hindi ako natanggap ng intentional na pasabit, ha? 12 seconds. 10 seconds. Time out. Solo joiners. 31-29. 10 seconds. Ten seconds, ha? Ano? Okay, time out. 6 seconds. 6 seconds. May isa pang timeout ang solo joiners, ha? May isa pa. 31-29. Okay, game na. Game na yan, ha? Game na. Okay, foul. 2.8. Timeout ba kayo pag nakuha nyo agad? First shot. Okay, no good. 2.8 yan, ha? 2.8 lang yan. Mayroon pa isa. 2.8. Basta ma-secure nyo lang. Okay, time out. 32-29. Paalala ko, pag overtime, first to shoot. Palagay, nabigay dito, dito. Dito. Okay, sino maglalabas? Tatlo yan, ha? Tatlo. 2.8, ha? 2.8. Okay. Sayang.